different video planned for today, but the drying time is just taking a little too long. So, while we're waiting, let's play. Here is Summer's apartment. Let's set it up. Here's the tutorial for the basic construction for this apartment, and here is where we decorated it. Let's lay down the floor. This room has a Murphy bed to save a little space. All we have to do is add a few pillows, some bedding, and a throw. Place the books back on the shelves, set up the kitchen, the couch. Let's add a throw and a few matching pillows. There we go. Place our cityscape outside, and Summer's apartment is set up. Yeah, but what about my show? I know. I'm working on it. In the meantime, let's check out some fashion packs. I got this one on Amazon. It's a Barbie and Ken fashion pack. The Ken outfit looks a little larger than normal, so it might fit my Integrity Toy doll. You better not be talking about Nigel.
Hello, everybody.
Seriously? He gave me a goodbye puppy.
I can explain.
Relax, you two. For today's video, we're gonna pretend like you two are living happily ever after. What?
Summer, ready to go to the beach?
Absolutely. Summer is wearing a one-piece rainbow bathing suit. It has a white ribbon strap that ties behind the neck, Velcro in the back, and an orange and pink wrap that Velcros on the waist. We also get a pink visor. Nigel is wearing a blue tropical fruit shirt. There are no closures in the front. Yellow, orange, and red shorts with an elastic waistband, and green sandals. Aww, don't they look adorable? Let's check out this fashion pack. I think this is for Ken. It's a one-piece romper. Here is Donnie modeling it for us today. It has a little V at the neckline, elastic around the waist, and it looks like it Velcros in the front. And the pattern continues all the way around. In that pack, we also get a pink two-piece outfit. The top says Pink Dream, and it has a matching skirt that looks like pink marble. It also comes with a pink scrunchie. Thank you very much, Jazz and Donnie. I picked up this outfit because I was really interested in the pants. They are pink and purple plaid pants. They are bell bottoms. However, I would have loved it if they were just a little longer. The material feels a little thicker than usual. They are finished all the way around. Because these are one size fits most, they are a little loose in the seat. We paired it with the included green belt and orange love top. I would love to see more bell bottoms in different colors. The second outfit is a flame dress. I thought it was a little snug at the top. We get pink flame sunglasses, and the dress has a ribbon with a zigzag going down the front. I don't know. I guess our dolls can do a little Monster High bounding and dress up as Heath. So far, my favorites have been the swimwear. From Barbie Extra, I picked up this fashion pack, as well as this one. At first, I thought this was like a house robe, but the theme is making me think poolside. We're getting a Barbie Extra pet with pineapple sunglasses and a strawberry floaty, a pink drink with a lemon, a pink cherry robe with green fuzzy sleeves? Okay, and an orange slice purse. I'm probably still going to use it as a house robe. The second fashion pack, we get a purple jacket with a working zipper. The overall shape is pretty cool. I'm loving the zipper, and I would love to see this in a few basics, like denim. It comes with a green purse and a pet with a skateboard. The skateboard and the pool floaty are fun accessories. I just would have liked to have seen them sized for Barbie. Maybe we can give them to Chelsea. What do you think of this jacket, Nigel?
Everything on you looks perfect.
Aww, you're the sweetest. And y'all are too much. I'm looking for something that's a little more my vibe. Etsy to the rescue. These are from UK Barbie Couture on Etsy. They sent me a new Blink Again t-shirt. For those of you who don't know, Link Again is the name of a doll band created by Barbie model Mayhem on Instagram, and UK Barbie Couture makes the merch. And it looks like the t-shirt design has changed. Check out that collar. There are no openings, the shirt is just slipped over the doll's head. I just raised the doll's hands in the air to put on the shirt. And I'm loving this! A lavender two-piece set. We have a nice collar and a waistband, creating a chill look so our dolls can be comfy at home. But I have a date with Nigel. What should I wear? Here is a hot pink dress. It came with a matching faux leather bag with a metallic leaf. The bag is sewn and we can put stuff in it. The dress has a nice fit at the top. We even have some little faux buttons. It has ribbon straps that snaps in the back. And there's a little snap at the waist as well. The skirt has pleats and it stops a little past the knee. Okay, so that's an option. How about this yellow dress? It comes in at the waist. We have a high neckline with faux buttons going all the way down. I might need to iron it. And it came with a faux leather belt with a gold buckle. I have another one that looks similar. Here it is in white with a navy blue print. We have the same high neckline, tiny little buttons going all the way down, a brown belt, but this dress is shorter and it stops just below the knee. What do you think? Need to see more? Okay. Here's a white skirt with buttons. I didn't buy a top. I also bought a pink skirt with buttons, but I didn't buy a top. What about this short suit? High-waisted shorts, plunging neckline, sleeveless jacket, and a green belt. I'm feeling very Vogue. I feel like this is more spring to summer, and it's fall. I was able to catch a Karl Moss Designs drop a few weeks back. Here's a little yellow sleeveless number. What about this? The pants are so comfy. This is one of my favorite outfits. I got it in a lighter blue. It has pockets, and if I get cold, I can just add another layer. Karl Moss Designs has fabulous basics at pocket-friendly prices. Just saying. Are you kidding me? Elite Doll World on Etsy is now selling 1/6 scale fashion? This is where I get most of my smart doll clothes. I'm talking basics that we can mix and match. Long sleeve shirt with biker shorts, mini skirt, joggers, and leggings. It's a pretty stretchy material and the stitches are reinforced. Here's a tube top, short sleeve crop top, or a long sleeve tunic with thigh-high socks. How about black? It shouldn't be this difficult to pick out an outfit. Ooh, but I look good in these leggings. I even got them in taupe and patterns. Well, I guess it depends on where we're going. This top is really cute. I'm loving the fabric. And these leggings look almost denim. Could I wear this to the movies? I have the same top in red and leggings with a distressed denim print. This could work, right? Or should we just go all red because it matches my lipstick? Okay, I think I got it. Long sleeve, pink comfy tunic, floral leggings, and leg warmers. Cute, comfy, and warm. And we can pair it with our DIY Uggs. There's a tutorial. Can't forget my coat. I picked up this long coat from Elite Doll World. It has working pockets, and it is just the thing to keep me cozy. Nigel, what are you wearing? I just spent all this time picking out an outfit, and you're not even dressed.
Oh, I just got something from Amazon. I will be right back.
Priced at $29.99. From High Play, we have a dark green long sleeve button-up shirt. It has faux buttons with snaps to close it. It's finished all the way around, and it even has little faux buttons on the cuffs. It came with a pair of jeans. For my Integrity Toy doll, they are a little short. It also has a brown belt with a buckle. This is a real belt, and we have working pockets. And there are working pockets in the back too. I thought it was time we showed our guys a little love and invested in their wardrobe. much better.
Are you ready to go?
Let me just grab my purse. From Mimi's Dolls World on Etsy, I picked up a few things. The prices were pretty pocket-friendly. I got this cream faux leather purse with a chain. I also picked it up in white. I got this bag. It's finished all the way around. It doesn't open, and there are little gold details on the bottom. Here's a faux snakeskin bag. I think it could work with this outfit. Or what about this? Totally giving designer. Or maybe we should go with a smaller purse. I'm loving the pink, but I think this one goes with the outfit perfectly. It has a long strap and a gold-colored ring, and we can wear it across the body. And now this happy couple is ready to go out on their date. I'm so happy, Nigel.
Me too, Summer. And now we will be happily ever after.
Yeah, about that. This isn't a part of your storyline, so after this video, everything will go back to normal. What? But I want to say thank you for joining us while we tried on some doll clothes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.